Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to be making some hot wings. It's very simple. They're super tasty and spicy. Let's go. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl there with my chicken wings. I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pound of chicken wings. There's about 17 there, I think. So they're not massive. Okay, listen, we've got here a cup of flour. This is a plain wheat flour. Use cornstarch if you want. We've got a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and allspice. Allspice is also known as pimento. Here again, we've got a teaspoon each. Cumin, coriander, chili, turmeric. In that goes. Very simply, I'm going to pop a glove on and give that a mix. So a skillet or a frying pan is now needed. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil. You can use a different oil if you want. There's about, I think there's about 5 or 6 tablespoons there. Medium heat, just been put on. In they go. What we're going to do is we're going to flip these around fairly often, and we're going to go maybe, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes for this size wings. Okay, so these are looking beautiful. What I'm going to do now is turn the heat up to maximum, and just for 2 minutes give them a real blast, and I'll be flipping them pretty much constantly during this process. Yeah, cooking them nice and slow there ensures that they don't burn, but they get a nice cooking so the bone inside is cooked. So yeah, a little blast, couple of minutes, high heat. So of course these wings are perfectly great right now to eat like that, but we're going to hot wing them up. So listen, I've got soy sauce. This is a light soy. There's 3 tablespoons. In that goes. I've got a cup of ketchup. In that goes. And then I'm going to use some hot pepper sauce. I use this one. This is my favorite in Kona. It's a Jamaican or West Indian hot pepper sauce. The amount you put in is up to you, but we're not going to be shy here. Tabasco or some other sauce like that also works. Listen, we're going to flip this around for a minute. Job done. They're super tasty. So of course they're spicy. They've got the sweetness from the ketchup. They're really delicious. Pop them in the middle of a table and watch people go wah 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 wee wah. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.